Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make a blueberry orange smoothie. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 banana, half a cup or so a small container of vanilla yogurt, 4 ounces of orange juice, and then if you want to add some protein powder, you can do that. In our blender, we will now just blend all of the ingredients. The blueberry orange smoothie is all done. Perfect for breakfast or a snack any time of the day. Perfect for a day like today, where it's 90 degrees out. Yesterday was also 90 degrees by like 11 a.m. Now it's afternoon, but in any case, I'm looking forward to a nice cool drink. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you like to drink smoothies and what your favorite kind is. I am going to go enjoy my smoothie now. You guys, keep it positive, go make it a great day. Bye-bye.